Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Is it over? Is this the top? We're going to talk about that today. We're going to look at some charts and I'm just going to give you guys my knowledge. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, especially if you don't know who I am. My name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I day trade Monday through Fridays, the financial markets, and also swing trade the crypto market also. All right. I only use the chart because the chart tells you what's going on. Doesn't matter if news is coming up, whatever the case is, the chart will always help you navigate through these markets. Okay. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the speed 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. Turn a half-an-hour video into a 15-minute video. Okay. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get the party started. Let's talk about this chart, and we're going to answer some questions later on. So let's get the party started. Let me pop out this chat room real quick, and then we're gonna go to CoinMarketCap. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. Right now, the cap is actually going down. 312 right here, 312 billion. Okay, the dominance is at 65.2. And I'm actually bullish on the dominance. I told you guys before that I believe that the dominance will continue to grow. This is one of the things that I was trying to tell you guys. You know, this up move that we are seeing from the crypto market is kind of suspect because you know, the dominance is actually growing while we're going up. Okay, that's kind of suspect. All right. But anyway, dominance is growing, so that means that Bitcoin is taking over slowly. Probably a lot of coins is going to drop and lose a lot of value. So, you know, it's just a matter of time. I mean, if you go to the CoinMarketCap and you look at most of these coins, I mean, let's be honest with ourselves. I mean, most of these coins are worthless. They are not doing anything. Come on, guys. We don't use, okay, do you use Decred, okay? What about V System? Okay, do you use it on a daily basis? Why? Tell me why V Systems is worth $329 million. Okay, come on, all right. You know, let's be honest. Okay, so that's why a lot of these coins are probably gonna, you know, drop and continue to go down. But anyway, let's look at this Bitcoin chart. Okay. We are looking at resistance. Sellers are coming in at the resistance area right here. All right. And most likely we are going to probably create a lower low right here. Right. We most likely are probably going to create a lower low. If you look at Ethereum, created a lower low. If you look at these other altcoins, they are creating lower lows. All right. So it's the king, okay, so it's going to lag a little bit, but for the most part, yes, I do expect it to make another new low. We are at resistance, and we try to go up. Sellers came in. We try to go up one again. You notice how sellers came in. We tried once another time, right? Sellers came in. Okay, now we move right here. I would be surprised if Bitcoin doesn't wipe these guys out. I mean, we are right here, so most likely it will continue to wipe these guys out that went long off this breakout right here. All right. Now that's telling us that the sellers right now is at this area and they want to sell. Okay, so when we, or if we do wipe these guys out, most likely we are going to continue to probably create new lows. Now, like I said before, we have to find support. If we don't find support, then, you know, it doesn't look good for the buyers. Now, let's look at these other coins real quick. All right. And we will definitely get to you guys' questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Okay, Ethereum. Ethereum is actually looks like it's going to continue to go down. All right, let's go to the daily chart. Let's see what I see here. All right, so daily chart looks like probably all depends on if they can hold this support level, okay? If they can hold this right here, all right, when we broke out of this, if they can hold this, then maybe we can, start to have buyers come in at this level. But, if they don't hold this level, most likely we are going right back down to here, okay, to stop these guys out, okay? So you have to understand that, right? Let's go to, let me see here. Let's go to Litecoin, all right? And, Litecoin is looking ugly, okay? Definitely looking real ugly. It has to find support maybe around this area to get it going again. Bitcoin Cash. Nasty drop today. Okay, nasty drop today. It looks like it will continue to go down. Okay, maybe go back down to the 200s easily. Okay, let's see what's going on with XRP, guys. I mean, sheesh. XRP, guys. I mean, what's going on? Anybody here in this, on this live stream hold in any XRP? Anybody on this live stream hold any XRP right now? Let me know your feelings, what you think about this. Okay, and I'm being serious right now. Like, what do you think about XRP right now? Because last time I checked some comments about XRP, a lot of these XRP holders are getting upset. They are definitely getting upset, and they pretty pissed off about XRP. Number one, XRP didn't really gain any up move or it didn't really gain anything during this whole up move, right? And now we are pulling back a lot. Okay, we basically we are right back to close to the lows, right? I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. But anyway, we are going to go back to some questions, the chat room. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. We are going to talk about the thing that I'm looking at right now when it comes to Bitcoin and much more. All right, so let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. All right. If you are tuning in for the first time and you're watching that replay, go to that first link below. Check out my new course, Crypto Grabber, Profit Grabber 3.0. Okay, that course will help you navigate through the crypto market, understand how to make money now. Okay, that's what I specialize in. Okay, I specialize in making money now from the markets because I don't really care about 5 or 10 years down the road. It's not really a game I'm looking to play, because if you understand wealth and you understand how to build wealth, it's all about the now. It's not about the long term, 20 years, 30 years down the road. But anyway, guys, let me go to the questions and then we go from there. What's going on, Dan? Bobby, Leonard, V, DeAndre, what's going on, bro? Let me see here. If you guys have any questions, type it in, guys. Okay? If you have any questions, type it in. Yeah, no, XRP is getting hit hard. Anybody is an XRP holder right now? Anybody in this live stream is an XRP holder? Let me know. So let me go to these questions, guys. Type in your questions, okay? What's going on, Barbara? How you doing? Barbara said no way. I'm guessing you're talking about is it over? That's what you're talking about. Bitcoin fund manager saying we are on a incentive triangle, and what are your thoughts? Basically, right now it is the pattern. We are still trying to create a pattern, so it's really not any triangle right now. So you can't really call this anything right now. All right. I don't really like try to predict the future. It doesn't make any sense. But right now, we just have to wait and see what's going on with pattern wise. Okay. Ben, will you create a real estate course on other ways to how to have income? Real estate course? No, because that's not my really. I don't specialize in real estate, so I can't really create a real estate course. Only thing I can do is probably interview someone that knows how to make money from real estate. That's the only thing I can do. Okay. When it comes to real estate, I keep it simple, right? But for the most part, it all depends on how much money you're dealing with. If you're dealing with, a decent amount, you want to definitely buy a whole bunch of units and rent those units out. Okay. But right now, guys, we are finding we're actually having resistance right here. Bitcoin is selling off, and we have to hope. Okay, well, not me. Okay, but the buyers. Okay, the people that's buying and holding, you have to hope that Bitcoin will either catch resistance. I'm sorry, have support. Okay, or find support either at 10,000 around this trend line, or these moving average. Okay, or these moving averages, and hope that the buyers come in. Okay, but we have to expect some type of pullback. Okay, because we had just been just going straight up. But right now we are having top in action. We actually had a private live stream last week, and I was explaining to my private group that right now it's looking kind of topish, meaning that a lot of sellers are coming in versus these other sellers. Okay, look, you see these candles right here. These are small candles, and then next thing you know, boom, you see all these big red candles. So you can tell automatically, there's more sellers coming in the market. Okay, and not only that, when we was going up, okay, hardly pulling back. I can tell that they was searching for an area, okay, and we didn't know exactly the area until they hit the area, right? One of the areas I was looking for, okay, was right here, the top of the triangle, okay. And I think I was the only guy in the crypto market was basically talking about this. It's not surprising because I do this full time, so most of these guys in the crypto market, they don't do this full time anyway. But anyway, the top of the triangle, okay. As soon as we broke that top, guess what? Sellers came in, okay. And this was my major resistance area I was looking for. All right. If you go back to my old videos, you will see. Okay, guys, I was talking about this area. I said that we have I told you we have minor resistance right here, here, and here, but this is the major one right here. All right. And sure enough, we got to those areas, and boom, sellers are coming in. So we have to be careful right now, okay? Especially if you're one of those moon boys that's screaming 100K, 50K, or straight to the moon. You got to be careful because this is an area where Bitcoin has to go and make new highs. Okay, the sellers cannot take over around this area. So just be careful. If you guys have questions, type it in. Type it in, guys. Right? Let me see here. What's going on here? If I see any. Okay, let me see here. Andrea said, yeah, it sucks. What sucks? You talking about XRP? Let me know. You talking about XRP sucks? Anybody here in the chat room hold any XRP? What's going on, guys? Please let me know. What are your feelings? Okay, I want to speak to a person that's holding XRP right now. What are your feelings? Okay, how do you feel about that? Okay, the coin that is supposed to be a coin that most people said it will outdo Bitcoin and Ethereum. And during this whole up move, it didn't really go anywhere. Okay, what are your feelings right now? Akbal, I believe I'm saying it right. I don't know. I lost $1,000. How do you lose $1,000? Please let me know. Okay. How to become your VIP member? Well, if you want to become a VIP, you have to get this course, right? It's very affordable, all right? Especially during the live stream, I give you guys the live stream discount. So let me get that out of the way, all right? I give you a discount during the live stream. That's only during the live stream, okay? So here's the live stream link, all right? This course will help you, okay, understand the market. And stop. It will help you stop acting like a moon boy that's saying it's impossible for Bitcoin to do this, and you're gonna act more like a professional. You're going to look at the market like a professional, and not get all emotional or get caught up with the nonsense that's going on in the markets. Okay, and you're gonna make your judgments or your decisions based on the chart, not some crazy teenager that's telling you, hey man, I got some good news for you today. All right. So this course will show you how, or you will learn how to actually we will learn how to make money now from the markets. All right. This is what I specialize in, right? Because me personally, I don't care if Bitcoin goes to 50K or 1K. I can still make money, right? I believe, some of you guys, or a lot of you guys that's watching me, you don't have that option, okay? Because number one, some of you guys are just too lazy. So check that out. That's how you can become a VIP member. And it comes with a Discord room. It comes with an indicator I have for you guys. And you will get all the recordings that I had, because I had a private live stream for you guys. You get all those recordings showing you how I'm able to do this full time from home. Okay. Let me see here if I see any questions here. No way, I'm holding XRP. Barbara, you said you're holding XRP. So Barbara, how do you feel? That's what I'm trying to ask you, Barbara. I'm trying to ask any XRP holder right now. How do you feel? Give me your true feelings. I mean, I don't see anyone yet telling me how they feel right now when it comes to XRP. Okay. Bitcoin will make another high, but in order to do that, it's a possibility it can make another high, but it doesn't have to. Okay. It doesn't have to. Okay. But if Bitcoin drops right now, it has to find some support in order to, make that new high. XRP is my hodl coin. Other coins are profit coins. I understand that, Lopez. That's not my question. Okay. My question to the XRP dudes that's watching me right now. Okay. Right. my question to you guys is, how do you feel? Are you upset? Are you pissed off? Are you angry? I want your honest opinion. I mean, I want your honest, just give me, some honesty here, guys. Like, how do you feel right now? Because I'm looking at XRP, right? And it's this a sad situation, right? Now, if you let's back out right here, guys. All right, for you guys that tuning in, hit that subscribe button right now, okay? And for you guys that just you're new to my channel and you hear me say things like I specialize in making money now, when you hear things like that, and you hear me say I don't really focus on 5 years, 10 years down the road, okay? Well, this is a great example. If you bought XRP in July or June, okay, at 31 cents, okay, that was 2 years ago. That's June 17th, right? June 2017. Okay, go fast forward 2 years from now. If you're hodling this coin, okay, that's 2 years. Fast forward 2 years, guys. You didn't make any money. Okay. Now, I'm not trying to make fun. Okay, this is not what this live stream is about. Okay, this live stream is about, or my channel is about, waking you guys up and letting you understand, guys, there's another world, right? Another game out here. You guys are missing. You're missing out. Most of you guys are saying hodl to zero or hodl gain or whatever slang that you use when it comes to hodl, right? If you want to hodl a coin, be my guest. I'm not telling you what to do, okay? But what I will tell you is there's other ways to make money, okay? You hodl. It shouldn't be your main strategy, okay? This is a perfect example right here, a perfect example, okay? Don't you know I already made money from XRP back in 2017. Done. I'm done with that, okay? You could have made money to the upside if you understand how to read the charts, guys. Okay, this is why I specialize in making money now, because I don't know the future, guys. Don't you know it's so hard to predict what's going to happen the next 5 years versus the next week or month or a couple of months. Okay. Anyway, if I told you, okay, back in 2017 that XRP, another 2 years from now, XRP will be at the same price, you'll probably laugh at me. You'll probably call me a crazy person, right? But anyway, you could have made money to the upside. You could have made money to the downside, short in this market. And you could have made money all throughout the whole cycle when XRP was just basically going up and down, right? Now, you can't quit your job, guys. You can't quit your job, okay, if you rely on this. This is why I always try to tell you guys, okay, learn how to read the chart. Because if you say, listen, I'm going to quit my job, I'm going to hodl all my coins and quit my job, you can't. This is a good example. 2 years passed already, guys, and you're at the same spot. How can you quit your job? You can't. Okay, but if you dedicate time and learn how to read the charts, you can actually quit your job by swing trading and making money consistently month after month. You can do that, but you can't quit your job if you want to just hodl, okay? Because hodling is not a strategy that allows you to quit your job, because anything can happen. But most of you guys will never, or some of you guys are never going to learn how to read the chart because you're too lazy, okay? You just how it works. So that's why the market will always have losers, and they will always have people like us taking money from people that are lazy. It's just what it is. So shout out to all my XRP holders. I don't know you guys, I don't know how you guys feel. I want you guys tell me. Let me see if I see anything. Lopez, I'm not upset at all. We are early in the blockchain revolution. Well, maybe Lopez, maybe you need to change the way you think, okay? And maybe you should get upset, okay? Maybe you should get upset because your anger could motivate you to look at different options. Being angry is actually not a bad thing. Anger could spark, okay, new things and create another life for you. Like with me, the reason why I'm able to do this full time from home is because I was angry, okay, and fed up with my job. I hated, I didn't like working 12-hour shifts. I didn't like working for, a boss or a person that's telling me what to do. So my anger, okay, motivated me to figure out, man, how, what can I do to make more money so I don't have to work for anyone else. I want to work for myself. What's going on, Steven? Sean, what's going on? You said I sold all my BTC at 13 waiting for the next entry, man. Shout out to you, bro. You're learning. You're learning. Okay. V said the big dogs created. V Dogs is actually spitting game right now. Most people is not going to believe you, though, V. Shout out to V. Let me give him that bomb. Okay. The big dogs want you to hodl so they can take your money, right? Yeah, I hear you, bro. Guys, if you have any questions, type it in. All right. If you have any questions, type it in. So let's talk about the bearish pattern, okay, that I'm looking at right now, guys. All right. So before we talk about the bearish pattern, guys, if you don't have my course by now, go check it out. It will help. It will show you and help you navigate and you will learn how to make more money, okay, from the markets. Right. You'll have the live stream discount is only for the live stream. Okay, you're supporting the channel, and you also are getting strategies that helps me trade full time from home. Okay. Here's the link right here. Check that out. Now let's go to the bearish pattern, guys. Right now, if you go to the weekly, right now we have to hope, guys, that this doesn't look like this by the end of this week, because overall, okay, this doesn't look good for the bulls. All right. Why is that? Well, because, guys, this bar right here, guys, this whole bar right here was a green bar. This was a a big green bar too. It wasn't just a green bar. It was a huge green bar. Okay. You don't remember this bar right here? This bar all the way to up top right here was green. And then it fell back down. All right. And then the next week after that, right? After this candle, we had a green bar right here. Okay. So I said to myself, okay, the bulls look like they're stepping in. So that's good. And then this bar right here was green too. So I was like, okay, this looking really good. This looks like it's trying to create new highs, right? And all of a sudden, guys, this bar right here is red. This was a green bar, guys. Remember how bullish this bar was looking? Now it's back to red. This is not good for the bulls. Okay? We have two bars that was green, okay, turning red. So we have to hope, or you have to hope. I don't have to do anything because, I'm not a follower or a hodler, okay. But for all you guys that's hodling, okay, you better hope that, the sellers don't pour in right here, because we have two rejections, two bars that was green. Now they turn red. So you have to be careful. And you just watch out. Okay, just watch out. Okay. I just want to check on this by the end of this week. I want to see if this bar is still red. Okay. Or I want to see if we can actually find support and bring back some green with this bar. But overall, this bar doesn't look good, okay? We have two rejections right here. So watch out, okay? Now, for you guys that's new to my channel, okay, I'm quite sure most of you guys that, you think that this is the bottom because, your favorite YouTuber is telling you, hey, man, this is the bottom, okay? Which is okay. If they want to say that's the bottom, fine, let them say it. But me over here, since I do this full time, okay, and I understand the market, I told you guys that this is not the bottom until we break the high. All right. Some of you guys didn't understand what I was trying to say, okay, but you just go back to my back to my videos. I give you guys different scenarios. Okay, most of you guys didn't understand the different scenarios. Okay. I told you guys before, we can do something like this, right? Go up, pull back here, maybe do a double top and, go right back down. That's one scenario, okay? The next one is we can go up, okay, to the top, break the top, then flop right back down. Okay, and then the next one would be basically breaking the top and, making new highs and continue to go up. Those are different scenarios, and you have to understand them as a trader, as an investor. If you don't, then you're just a guy that's just blindly watching the market. Okay? Now, another thing, before I get out of here, let me see how much time I have left. Okay, 34 minutes. All right. So, before I get out of here, guys, listen. If we pull back, I remember watching a guy. I mean, I'm quite sure some of you guys know him. He's pretty famous on in the crypto world. He said that if Bitcoin goes back to 4K, okay, he's going all in. Guys, I'm gonna let you know something, guys. Right? Okay. If Bitcoin goes to 4K, guys, please do not go all in. Okay. That's not a good sign, right? If Bitcoin drops more, if Bitcoin goes all the way back down to here and hit the 5,000s, that's not a good sign. That basically saying that we wiped out pretty much 70% of this whole up move, right? That's not good. So you better hope that Bitcoin can actually hold some type of support Because if we go deep, if we have a deep pullback, guys, do not listen to anybody. I don't care if they call themselves the Oracle. I don't care who it is. Okay, do not listen to anybody. This is not a good sign. Okay. Now, if we go back to this all the way back here, okay, most likely we're going back to the lows. Unless we bounce right here, we could do a fake bounce right here and then go something like this. But overall, okay, just because we break the low right here doesn't mean we can't catch some type of support. All right? But let's say that Bitcoin does go below this low right here. That's telling me that the market is weak, and it doesn't want to go up now, and it's probably going to take a long time to go up, because it should have went up right here. So that's why you really have to understand this game, guys. This is a business. These guys will take your money and smile right in your face. Okay? And some of you guys don't understand how this game works. I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to win. I don't want you guys to be one of those guys that's saying, hey, man, we're going to go straight up. We don't have to go straight up, right? And I'm not saying that to be negative. I'm saying that to be cautious so you could understand what to do if things go south. Okay, you always have to have a plan if things go south. It's not being negative. Like most people always saying, it's negative if I'm saying Bitcoin can go down. Guys, it's not negative. It's actually having a plan. Okay, you're having a plan if it goes down. This is why I love the ability to short the market, right? And make money while the market goes down. You have the best of both worlds, but you're not taking advantage of it. But you're looking at the rich guys in the wells, and you're saying, man, these guys are manipulating the market. These guys are taking advantage of the little guys. But you're not really watching them, guys. You're not really studying them and looking how these guys are making money. The reason why they can do whatever what they can do, the reason why they're able to do the things that they are doing right now is because they know how to make money regardless. Okay, so just be careful out here, guys. Bitcoin has to find support. Most likely, the next level is going to probably be either 10,000 again. Okay. Because we had support at that 10,000 mark before, so most likely if we do go down, it's going to be 10,000 again. And then we have to see if they want to find support right there, okay? And if they don't, they're going to break it. And if they do break it, this is the next area right here around that 8,000 mark where we broke out right here, okay? And they got to hold this as support. If they don't hold this as support, then most likely we're going to continue to go down. All right, so that's what we're looking at right now. If I see any questions, I'll definitely get to you guys' questions. If not, we're gonna wrap this up. I appreciate everybody that tuning in. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. It's funny how it's about to be Friday. Time is going real quick, guys. I can't believe it's Friday already. Let me see here. How much is the lifetime VIP? This is lifetime right here, bro. Okay. For the crypto market, this is lifetime. I have two courses. All right. I have a day trading course that shows you how to day trade. What do you call that? The day trade futures market, right? That has nothing to do with the crypto market. Actually, if you get that course, the day trading course, it comes with the crypto market. I mean, it comes with the crypto course, right? But anyway. This course right here that you're looking at, okay, it's a 3.0. This is new. It's a one-time fee. It's not a monthly fee. It's a one-time fee. You're a lifetime member forever, right? Once you get it, you get the Discord room, and you get the strategies that I use to, take advantage of these markets, how I'm able to do this full time, how I'm able to do this with confidence. Okay, you can go look at my videos and look at my track record. Okay, when everybody was screaming buy the dips, we was short in the market making money. Okay, while everybody was saying, hey man, short the market right here, we was basically buying the market up. So I can go both ways at any time. Okay, like most people just don't understand how I'm able to switch. One day go long, one day go short. You don't supposed to understand until you learn how to do this, or learn the knowledge, or learn the how to read the charts. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Let me see here. I talked to an officer, and he said the best way to survive in this market is to day trade it. What officer are you talking about? Okay. But this market right here, the crypto market, is the best market to swing trade, because it's so volatile. It can go up one day nicely and then go down nicely. This is not a market, guys. It's not a market for a long term, or treat it like a stock market. Most guys is treating it like some type of stock market, where you put all your money in, and you just hold it. Like, this is not. This is actually a money grabber, and you have to take profits. Okay, this is not. Oh, I'm going to sit on this because someone told me about it. Because some of these coins might not come back. Okay, if you go into Coin Market Cap, guys, just go to the Coin Market Cap, and you will see 2013. Most of those coins that was on the first page of that list of 2013. Okay, those coins are nowhere to be found. Let me see if I can see it. I don't know if I can see it. I don't know. Let me see here. I don't know why this is. Hold on. Here we go. 2000. Let's go to the crash. Okay. Look at the 2013, guys. All right. Most of these coins, barbecue coin, most of these coins are going. So this is not a market where you want to hodl forever, okay? Because some of these coins can actually just go to zero. This is a very volatile market, and you have to treat it like that. You have to treat it like it's a a hot date. Okay, you just want to treat it. You want to get the gains, and you want to be out. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. Let me see here. We were potentially going to 90. Yeah, we can definitely go to 9,098. If it goes to 4K, is it possible? Is there a possibility it may continue to fall? Yes, man. Just think about it, guys. Like I said before, there's a popular guy right now on YouTube. I'm not really going to call his name up, but he said that if it goes to 4K, he's going all in. Guys, I mean, look at this. This is 4K right here, guys. Why would you want to buy something that dropped this far? Okay, why would you want to go all in? I mean, we basically wiped out all the gains right here. Okay, that means that the sellers are still in control. Anyway, I don't really want to get into that, craziness. Let me see here. What's going on, Jason? When do you think that also all season is coming? I'm not too sure, man. It might not even come. We might depending on Bitcoin, because this is looking like a resistance zone right here. We have to get past this. So we if we can get past this, then we can talk about all season. But right now, let's see what's going on with this first. Let's see if they want to make a new high or they want to sell off. Let me see here. Ahmed Ben, I just finished your 3.0. Very good. I just finished your crypto 3.0. It's very good, man. Shout out to you, Ahmed. I appreciate it. And shout out to anybody else that's all my new students that's getting that course. Shout out to you guys. If you guys have any questions, you can definitely email me. And if you have any questions in general, students included, you can email me or hit me up Discord. Let me see here. Crypto Slice of Life, been telling it like it is always, man. Shout out to you, man. All right, guys. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I'm about to get some get something to drink, but I'm gonna give you guys a round of applause. All right, thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate all my subscribers and all my students. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a great day. Make sure you improve. Make sure you practice. Make sure you study the charts and make good decisions, guys. All right. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day and be good, guys. Be safe. All right. Thanks.